There it is. Here we go. Campus store. Here we go. Dang. This is nice. I might have to get something here. It's kind of cool. Tech flag. I would be all over that. Basketballs. Pickleball rackets, dang. Blankets. Oh, that is, dang. Okay, here comes the Dixie State gear here. DSU, Dixie State College. These are nice. I'm glad they still have this here. And it's a lot similar to SUU's bookstore. Utah Tech. Their hats are pretty sick though. There's a good glimpse of if I had to get a hat here, I think the one I would get would probably be this one. I don't know. And these are like class stuff. But yeah, I think that's most of the bookstore. More classroom stuff here. I've already been over here, but yeah, that's the bookstore. Just found something, guys, that I just might have to buy. This goes so well with, I just hope there's a size for me that fits. But I might have to get one of these. I think I'm gonna have to get one of those.